Are you not sure if your website is actually bringing you ready to book clients? Google Analytics should be the first place that you check, but for a lot of service providers, we skip this step. Hey, how you doing? My name is Kelly and I'm the founder of Ame Creatives. I'm a website and SEO strategist who's all about helping service providers get found online without the tech overwhelm and burnout. In this video, I'm walking you through step by step how I set up Google Analytics for my clients so that you can be able to see what's working on your website and make marketing decisions with confidence. Before we dive in, if you're looking for a more personalized approach on how to have a website that looks nice and also brings in leads automatically through SEO, then take the free SEO strategy assessment below. All right, so let's get started setting up your Google Analytics account. When you log into Google Analytics, you will first put in the account name. So I like to put in the brand name as the account name. And then down here, you're going to click Next. And then for the property name, I also put in the brand name. And then I set the time zone for what it is. So this one will be for New York time. And we will click Next. Business details. So you'll want to put in your industry category. For this test account, we'll make it for beauty and fitness. And the business size, you'll put in how many employees. For this one, this is going to be a small business. And then you're going to choose your business objectives. For a lot of my clients, we want to generate leads and we want to drive sales. But you'll take a look at these options and then you'll check which one is the most relevant for you and hit create. You'll read the terms and conditions and hit accept. And then we're going to start collecting data. So we are setting up Google Analytics for a website. So we're going to click web. And then we're going to put in the URL here. So for this one, it's going to be just a test account. And then I put in the brand name for the stream name website. And then we're going to click create and continue. Once you do this, you will see that it is created, but you're not done yet. You'll want to click inside of here and you'll want to take this measurement ID and paste it inside of the platform that you use so that it can connect to your website and start collecting the data. If you skip this step, then you don't get the data that you need and it's never going to be able to connect it. So you'll want to connect it here and then paste it inside of the platform that you use. Once you do that and you come back into here, you should be able to see that it's collecting data. Right now, the data collection is pending. So when you get to the home screen, you'll be able to see this here. If you're seeing this notice, this means that you have not connected Google Analytics to your website and it's not collecting data. So you want to make sure you do that step. And once you start collecting data, I'll show you what it will look like. Once you have Google Analytics set up, you'll be able to see how traffic is going on your website using this data that will be here. Once your Google Analytics is set up, you can use this data to be able to not only just look at the numbers, but spot opportunities like which blog posts are performing the best, which pages are where people are falling off the most, which pages are performing the best. So you can be able to look at the data and spot opportunities for how to make these changes to your website to get people to do what it is that you want them to do. If you're unsure as to whether SEO is actually working on your website, then take the free SEO strategy assessment. The link is below, and it'll give you clarity on what next steps you should do on your website to help move the needle. If this was helpful, then hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video on how to have a website that helps you to get found and helps you to get your next client.